Villarosa.
Almazol, the point guard. Bagong gupit pala ito si Almazol, mga kaibigan. Bibigay kay Doraemon. A mid-range jumper. No. And the last touch there on that shot by Doraemon. Oliva gives up ball to Iswan. There's number 4. And now Iswan crossing the lane. Gives up ball to Iswan. Iswan. Muntik nang ma-foul ni Ref Ignacio. Iswan yung pinato na mula sa airport. Hindi pumasok. Rebound taken by Almazul. Nakapulot ng bola. Almazul, the point guard. The small but terrible driving. And Almazul, no. Oliva. And Oliva looking for si Peña. Gives up ball to Iswan. Iswan almost an interception. Still Iswan has a ball. The beautiful drive to the basket. And Medina scores. Able to contribute. Using the last 2 points for Medina. Almazul this time to the veteran ng Villarosa. Back to Almazul on top of the key. To Doraemon. What a nice ball movement. Back Fajardo. Nauna ang kanyang hakbang bago pa mahawakan ng bola, resulting to a turnover. Swan, there's number 4 this time, will serve as the point guard for his team. First companion, over is the offense, it's about to Oliva, back to Swan. Swan guarded by Almazul, the small but terrible. The 2 gives up to Oliva, time to shoot. Oliva back to Swan, and now Swan already discarded the spin move and a foul. Addressed to number 8-19, Villarosa.
Di ko. So naman hindi, naman bawal.
13 foul, first team foul pala po. First team foul for El Marino. Oliva to Iswan, and now Iswan. Jump ball for Doraemon, and Doraemon already discarded. Tatlo laban sa isa. Yay! Doraemon able to score. And a difficult shot. Iswan. Nagpapawisan na itong si Swan. Hinahanap ang kanyang mga kampe. Ibibigay kay Swan. Siya na naman ngayon i-discard. No, this time, this is that shot. Last touch. Same ball. Bola pa rin na tagapalanig. Almazul. Almazul, jersey number 6. Binato na sa 3. Wala sa ilalim Fajardo. And Fajardo using his size advantage. No, and able to contribute. Andrade binato na kay Swan. And now Swan. An easy basket for Swan. Doraemon. 26-25. Isa lang po ang lamang ng El Marino. To Almazul. And now Almazul to Villarosa na atake. Villarosa drives to Doraemon on offensive rebound. And now Doraemon babangga. A nice fake, but a foul addressed to number 14, Medina. Holding foul. Take 2 for Doraemon, an act of shooting foul. 26-25, isa lang po ang kalamangan ng El Marino. Side out. Hindi act of shooting. 5 minutes, 13 seconds remaining in the second period. Almazul receives the ball. Sa Almazul lalabas ang mga binabatayan ni Swan. Kay Doraemon na punta ang ball. And now Doraemon driving. Doraemon sa ilalim ni Scotty. Ibibigay sa kanya kay Fajardo. No, wala pa rin. Sala pa rin natin ang Doraemon. Pero last touch is Oliva. Oliva committed the last touch. Pala pa rin ang El Marino. Doraemon directing the traffic, making the play. An inbound play sa ilalim. Kinukuyog ito si Francisco na walang bala. Kumapa na si Swan. Swan rep, number 21, Fajardo. So, ano si Swan? Substitution, Swan for Monera. Hindi nga abi Swan, basta isa na lang na. Bola na po tayo dito kay Monera. Monera, sa ilalim mo na pa sa Medina yan. And the last touch by Medina. Doraemon, back to Almazul. Almazul sa Villarosa. Sa yung pinasan. Tunagtagili doon si Francisco. Pumog naman si Francisco. Wala. Villarosa with a rebound. Villarosa to Doraemon na nakatake. Tabik ayan yan. Sa ilalim ito si Francisco. Time sa wild shot. Able to score. Francisco with a difficult shot. Pasok pa rin yan para kay Francisco. Monera, behind the back, dribble, and now challenging the defense of Almazul. Monera, sa ilalim kay Andrade, fakes, at end, no, is 1, 2, Medina. No, sa ilalim, parang rebound, rebound second by Doraemon, si Francisco, itaktak na. Basket counted and a foul. Just number 14 with a foul. Coach timeout, Coach Alayon of Palani. Official score 30. Nagayon ako sa junior pagkuhan, kaya bilog na ganyan, pusog-pusogan na tinindog. Pasok yan para Francisco, the bonus. Monera making a signaling to his teammate, gives support to Navarro, again sa tres, no, they're not able to contribute. Francisco, yes, a nice block by Francisco to the side recovers by Monera, and now Monera behind the back dribble, dalawa. A nice stop. Muntik na matas magan si Ma'am Janice.
Yawan ka lang sa'yo.
Good afternoon na po kay Ma'am Janice, kay Ma'am Divina, at kay Ma'am Charlotte. Monera sa ilalim, kalago po ang duga ni Oliva. A last touch. Same ball. Bola pa rin ang Palani. 14 to shoot. Monera attempts at 3. Yes sir! 3 points by Monera. 3 minutes and 20 seconds remaining in the second period. Dorimon gives the ball back to the point guard Almasol. And now Almasol got Francisco behind the back. Nawala doon si Francisco. Almasol tuloy-tuloy lang sa ilalim ng Francisco. Nice block. But a foul called by our referees. Jersey number 3. It's Oliva committed the foul. Third personal foul for Oliva. 13 foul. First personal foul for Oliva. A 13 foul. A knock of shooting. Francisco in his first. Hindi pumasok ang tira ni Mr. Limuel Francisco. Jumpers get ready for the last draw of Mr. Francisco. Misses both of that shot. Offensive rebound with Pardo. Unable to contribute. And Monera sa ilalim. Monera ngayon. Si Navarro. Navarro assisting to an interception of Villarasa. And now Villarasa driving. Gives the put to Almasol. Almasol, a floater, can't connect sa ilalim. The ball is alive. Saves by Monera. The Navarro. And Navarro this time being atake. No. Follows up. Francisco wala pa rin. Villarosa with the rebound. Sa Villarasa na ngayon may hawak. Ibibigay kay Dorimon. Dorimon ang atake sa ilalim kay Francisco. Fix. And traveling violation. With that shuffle on his foot. Resulting to a traveling. Monera this time in control of that ball. Gives up to Iswan. And now Iswan na naman ang papatalbog. Sa corner dito kay Francisco Babangga. Yes, 2 points for Francisco. Ginamit ang kanyang katawan. Almazul to Dorimon to Francisco. Francisco double team. No, Pajardo falls up. Wala pa rin. Francisco with the rebound. And now Francisco nagmamadala. Ibibigay kay Swan. Drives. Yes, 2 points. James favor na. James favor na po tayo. Lamang na po ang Palani ng isang puntos. 31-32. Dorimon to Almazul on top of the key. Yes sir! 3 points by Almazul. 1 minute and 35 seconds remaining in the second period. So Navarro babawi sa tres. Wala this time. Rebound taken by Dr. Iswan. Iswan this time using his body. Iswan lays it up. Can't connect sa ilalim. Francisco secures the rebound to Pajardo. And a sped move for Pajardo to get away with that defense. And now Pajardo in the open court. Lays it up. No. They're taking it by himself. Stepping up the line by Pajardo. Substitution. Francisco for Adrias. 1 minute 12 seconds. 1 minute 12 seconds left in the second period. This one, the big man, looking for his companion. Gives the ball to Francisco sa tres. Tinira na. No. Adrias secures the rebound. Adrias cruising the lane. Guarded by Swan. Using his speed. Adrias fakes. Nag-beat in China pa. Iyaya 2 points. Naskap pa ni Adrias. This time is na Oliva, 3 against 1. Oliva ipipilit pa rin. Wala. Para may follow. Tinawag sa ref. Seconds remaining. Dorimon drives. Dorimon lays it up. No. Sa ilalim. Monera with the rebound. And now Monera to Navarro. Yes, 2 points for Navarro. 30 seconds. To Andreas spin move using the glass. No. 25 seconds. To Villarasa. Nagpigil pa. Puta tangin abot. Doraemon. 20 seconds. Basket by Doraemon. 15 seconds. Shot clock is off. 10 seconds. Navarro sa 3. No. 5 seconds. Pasa na po. Sunod yan.